Here's the story of a team of students who all worked hard to bring you UBTV. They were all at Blick working all together, and then the virus came. It's the story of dedicated Bengals who were apart due to COVID-19. They had a mission to create a new show, but they were not allowed at school. Now this year, Miss Emery and Miss Wilbur pulled us together to produce our show for you. Despite our distance from all our Bengal family, we're excited to bring you UBTV, the UB Bunch, the UB Bunch. Get ready for UBTV. Yeah.
What's up, Blake? Welcome back to UBTV.
It's a new year and a new UBTV.
I'm Addison.
And I'm Chibogu.
And we're your tour guides for our first episode of UBTV's Social Distancing Edition. Things may look a lot different than they have in the past,
but we're going to bring you as much UB news as we can.
We're excited for our broadcast and have some new segments planned.
Unlike in the past, we will be broadcasting twice a week, on Tuesdays and
Fridays during Bengal time.
Mr. Sun came up and he smiled at me.
This stinks. I hate rainy days.
But look at that, Eustace. It's snowing.
Can't be snowing. It's August.
What's up, Blake? It's Andrew here with your UB weather for this weekend and for Monday. Today will be cloudy with a high of 73 and a low of 60. Tomorrow will also be cloudy with some morning showers with a high of 74 and a low of 61. On Monday, it will be cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon with a high of 80 and a low of 60. On Tuesday, it will be partly cloudy and warm with a high of 81 and a low of 64. Stay delicious, have a great long weekend, and we'll see you next week with more weather on UBTV.
Allies for Equality, Blake's Alliance for LGBTQ+ and straight students, will be meeting on Wednesday at 3:30. Join us at the link below. All are welcome.
Attention seniors. If you need help with your college essay, Miss Andrews and Mrs. Chrismond of the English department have opened an online website where seniors can submit a request for help. At the Writing Center site, seniors can also find links to information on college essays and on the college admissions process, which includes information about how COVID-19 has affected the admissions process. Also, the Hispanic Heritage Foundation's 2020 Youth Awards Educational Grants Program is now accepting applicants. Their 22nd Annual Youth Awards will award students who are a graduating class of 2021 with up to $1,000 in educational grants to fund their higher education or a community-based project. Recipients will be selected for their accomplishments in the classroom community and for their excellence in the various educational categories. The deadline to apply is December 6, 2020. Students can apply and find more information at hispanicheritage.com.
Today's notable Hispanic person is Ellen Ochoa. She was the first Hispanic woman to go into space when she served on the 9-day STS-56 mission aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery in 1993.
Blake Stage Company will hold auditions for its fall virtual play, Bad Auditions. Students should prepare a brief monologue and sign up for an audition slot at www.tinyurl.com/BlakeAuditions2020. Zoom instructions are on the sign-up page. Any questions? Contact Ms. Wagner at Mary_D_Wagner@mcpsmd.org.
you already know, virtual learning can be stressful. So here's a quarantine tip that can help. If you can, safely go outside and get some fresh air. Fresh air can reduce stress by taking your mind off of schoolwork and daily frustrations.
Quarantine tip number 2 would be to still maintain our relationships. Now, even though we can't see people in person and we should still be socially distancing, that's only physically. That doesn't mean we have to stop being social altogether. So don't be afraid to reach out to your teachers, your classmates, your friends, and your professors virtually. I'm sure they'll be happy and glad to hear you out, especially if you're feeling alone and anxious.
There is no update with virtual sports, but we do know that the MPSSAA has released guidance for a return to in-person high school sports. Any questions, go to www.mpssa.org for more info. Last night in the conference finals, the Miami Heat beat the Boston Celtics 112-109. Tyler Hero led the Heat with 37 points. This Sunday, the Washington football team will take on the Cleveland Browns at 1 o'clock in Cleveland.
That's our show for today.
We hope you enjoyed it. Give us a shout out on our Twitter if there's something you'd like to see on the show.
Our Twitter handle is below at Blake_UBTV.
Or send us a DM on Insta, UBTV Live 321.
Today is National Lobster Day.
We hope everyone has a salty Friday and a great weekend.
Don't forget our next broadcast is next Tuesday during Bengal time.
So we'll see you then.
Right here on UB
TV.
Yeah.